Ryan, where are you putting your cars? Where are you putting your cars? They're down by your feet? Unzip your jammies and get them out. That's not a pocket. You can't put them in there. You got it? Take them out. How many cars are in there?
2.
2? Did you get them? Was it stuck?
Got it.
You got it? Why did you put your cars in there?